The Bronx is the northernmost borough of New York City, the southernmost mainland borough of New York State, and the only part of New York City that is almost entirely on the mainland of North America. The Bronx itself has a strong character. It is the birthplace of hip-hop and home to one of the country's most legendary professional baseball teams, the New York Yankees, also known as the Bronx Bombers. The Bronx has the cheapest shopping in all of New York City. Most neighborhoods are busy and noisy, but don't let that stop you. Shopping at these places will introduce you to the Bronx in a nutshell while saving you money in your pockets. These neighborhoods are known for quality fashionable clothes and delicious food at discounted prices. A walking tour of the Galata Tower, one of the symbols of Istanbul and Turkey, can be considered one of the main daily plans of tourists who came here this season. Many tourists were surprised by the very hot weather in Istanbul this summer, but still the historical places are very crowded. One of the most attractive historical sites is Galata, located at the end of Istanbul Street, the beating heart of the city. Many tourists come to the Galata Tower after visiting Taksim Square and Istanbul Street and enjoy their time in and around the tower. Banff is a charming town located in the province of Alberta, Canada. It is located within Banff National Park, part of the Canadian Rocky Mountains, and is surrounded by stunning natural beauty.
I wonder if you can go across.
Banff is set amidst the Rocky Mountains, making it an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Popular natural attractions nearby include Mount Rundle, Tunnel Mountain, and Lake Minnewanka. The town offers a wide range of activities including hiking, skiing, snowboarding, mountain biking, and wildlife watching. The Banff Gondola offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Dublin is the capital of Ireland and one of the oldest cities in the country, having the status of a city-county and located in the place where the River Liffey flows into Dublin Bay. Centuries-old history and a large number of attractions attract tourists from all over the world. Dublin is the capital and largest city of Ireland, known for its rich history, beautiful architecture, vibrant nightlife, and hospitality. It is a charming place that has managed to retain its old-world charm and tradition while embracing modernity. Dublin is a city of lively pubs and pretty streets that will capture your heart and give you a lot of impressions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.